The inside. Who will it be? 8 laps to go at the line. Green flag is in the air. Lane Riggs in the 38 wants to make something happen. Look at Daniel Dye ducking to the inside back there.
Will they make it? 4 wide. And they did. Daniel Dye with a daring move here late in the going.
Oh! Almost a wreck by our leader, Grant Enfinger.
Oh.
He was sideways and he's still sideways.
Lane Riggs says, let's go, boys.
Look at the bumping and banging. Christian Eckes makes up a few spots. Ty Majeski to the point, but don't look now. Look at the 17 of Taylor Gray coming on strong. Already clinched his spot.
Wow, what action.